you. And of course, along with him, the wonderful Sanya Malhotra and the very wonderful Fatima Sana Sheikh. Would you please join us? I've met them at many a trailer launch. I've never seen them this genuinely excited. Some tears streaming down their faces at this point. I hope you can take a minute. We're all friends.
बस ऑडियंस में सारे सानिया की तरह हो बस.
विकी, मैं आपसे शुरुआत करना चाहूंगी. आंखें कैसे बदल जाती है एक्टर की यार? I mean, I'll tell you one thing. You're so phenomenal that it's a compliment. मैं विकी कौशल को नहीं देख रही थी इसमें, मैं सैम को देख रही थी. कैसे कर लेते हैं आप?
Thank you. Firstly, good evening everyone over here. सब कुछ रोनी सर and मेघना ने बोल ही दिया है that how big an honor it is for us to be here today in front of General Pandey sir and all the respected officers of the Indian Army. It really truly is our blessing to firstly make this film and then to be here and present this film to the army and to the people from the army. So thank you so much for being here, taking your time out, and sir, thank you for taking your valuable time out. It really means a lot to us. And पता नहीं कैसे हुआ है पर मेघना, Ronnie, thank you. I am so grateful for just getting this opportunity. I remember मैं और मेघना जब राजी में काम कर रहे थे तो पटियाला में शूटिंग चल रही थी, तो छत पे बैठ के ना, हमारी एक दिन ऑफ था, हमारी छुट्टी थी, तब पहली बार मेघना ने जिक्र किया था कि आगे मैं क्या सोच रही हूँ. This is what I want to make. So she said Sam Manekshaw. And my mom and dad both are from Punjab. तो उन्होंने 71 की वॉर देखी है, तो मैंने सुना बहुत था कि सैम बहादुर, सैम मानेकशॉ जी. मुझे ये नहीं पता था वो दिखते कैसे हैं. तो मैंने चुपके से कॉन्वर्सेशन में ना नीचे गूगल पे मैंने फोटो देख ली कि सैम मानेकशॉ जी दिखते कैसे. मैंने कहा ये तो बहुत हैंडसम है, ये रोल मुझे नहीं मिलेगा. थैंक यू कि इतने हैंडसम इंसान का रोल आपने मुझे दिया. एंड बट इट रियली इज एन ऑनर फॉर मी. और आई थिंक अब तक का सबसे टफेस्ट रोल है जो मुझे निभाना था, नॉट बिकॉज ऑफ the way he walks, the way he talks, because of just the man he was. Like Meghna said, they don't make men like him anymore, and this flawed guy had to make an attempt to live that life. So it truly is a team effort. The way I look, whatever I've done, it's a massive team effort of about, I don't know if I'm giving the right number, but 300, 500 people, but massive research done by Meghna, her brilliant direction team, the production team from Ronnie's team, and the costumes and art and all the beautiful co-actors, from the makeup people to everybody who helped me so much so that I could just put my best foot forward in playing Sam. So I think it all goes to everybody whom you can see in the frame and everybody that you cannot.
How beautiful. You said he's handsome, but you're humble, let me tell you that. A big hand for that, please. The thing about Sam, and I forgive myself for just calling him that, but उनकी जितनी भी speeches मैंने देखे हैं, the one thing that shines through is his wit and his personality. So apart from being all of these amazing things, he's also one of the funniest, the wittiest people that has walked the face of this earth. What was the part of his personality that resonated with you the most?
In one of his interviews, he was asked by his grandson Jehan. He asked him that, Sam, in your 40 years of your career in the army, what's been that one biggest achievement for you? And he said that in my career from second lieutenant to field marshal, I have never punished a soldier. And that compassion for me was, especially when you have all the power, when you have all the strength, and that compassion, that feeling for every Jawan, that for me was what made him a hero for me. because that swag was there, that style was there, the charisma was there. But at the end, that heart was also there, which was a compassionate heart, a strong heart, a heart of a leader. But still, there was this compassion in his heart, which for me was just, that is what I was trying to tap on. Also carrying the strength, but that is what I was aiming for.
I think you did beautifully. Thank you so much. Can we talk to you now? Because you're right there. Are you okay now? Yeah? You're okay. Great. I must say, this is your year. I mean, I was in the theatres watching Jawan a few days ago for the third time. And here I am watching the trailer of Sam Bahadur. Do you want to acknowledge the fact that this is a great year for you right now?
First of all, good evening, everyone. It's such an honor to be standing on this stage with two wonderful actors. I was overwhelmed looking at the trailer. I feel so honored to be a part of it and to play Sidhu Manekshaw. Definitely 2023 is my year. I feel very happy to be part of, thank you. I feel very happy to be a part of two very wonderful films, like even Kathal, Jawan, and now Sam Manekshaw. I feel I'm very lucky as an actor to have gotten this opportunity. Thank you so much, Meghna, for making me a part of it. Thanks a lot.
Thank you so much, Sanya, for that. Thank you, Meghna, for that. Hi, Fatih, how are you?
I'm very good.
Oh my God, I must say, it might have been so unnerving to play such a historical figure. So, I'm just going to ask you straight off, were you nervous about playing the...
God, I was so nervous. सबसे पहले hello everybody. It's really an honor. जैसे सब कह रहे हैं, यहाँ पे आना एक बहुत बड़ी चीज़ है क्योंकि मौका नहीं मिलता एक्टर्स को एक ऐसे मंच में आने का और इतने सारे लोगों से मिलने का जो हमारे देश के लिए काम कर रहे हैं और हमारे लिए बहुत कुछ कर रहे हैं. So it's an honor and सबसे पहले thank you Meghna and thank you Ronnie and thank you Ki and thank you Sanya. I can't. I'm just very overwhelmed and yes, I was very nervous when Meghna offered me the film. I told her that I felt that I think I'm not the right person. Why is she asking me? I'm the wrong cast. In my head, I was like, "No, this can't."
Meghna said, you said no.
I said no, yes, because I did not believe that I could do it, and that's the truth. But Meghna said, "Trust me, Fatih. You can do it, and just trust in me." 2 words she said, "Trust me," this time. So internal joke है, पहली बार कुछ और बोला था इसलिए हंस रहे. So that was it, and I'm very happy क्योंकि ट्रेलर देख के काफ़ी हम मूव्ड है. बट जैसे मेघना ने पहले कहा कि आई वॉज वन ऑफ द पर्सन जिसे पता नहीं था सैम मानेकशॉ के बारे में. मेरे इर्द गिर्द लोगों ने कभी बात नहीं की है, मेरे मम्मी पापा ने बात नहीं की है. वी आर माइग्रेंट्स, सो आवर एक्सपोजर इज ऑफ not of that world. So through films you are being educated. आपको ऐसे पर्सनालिटीज़ के बारे में पता चल रहा है जिसके बारे में आपने कभी सुना ही नहीं होगा, and that's going to move so many people, and I am one of them. So I'm very happy to be a part of it.
Thank you. This is amazing. Humble, graceful, honest. That's my wonderful cast. Please give them a round of applause once again. Can I please call back on stage Ronnie, Meghna, Chief, and Mrs. Archana Pandey, President AWWA, to kindly join us on the stage. Thank you.
Before we proceed further with the evening, what makes this also very special is that Maya, you are here. Nothing validates what we have done for the past 2 years on this film. Ladies and gentlemen, Maya Daruwala, daughter of Sam Manekshaw, is amongst us. Thank you for your faith, Maya.
Thank you so much. Thank you. At this point, of course, we'd like to just say thank you to both of you for allowing us to take this film to the audiences. And on behalf of the entire team, we'd like to felicitate the both of you once again for being with us and supporting us today. Could we have a floral tribute to come up on the stage, please?